Can I win a marathon using ChatGPT in 1 week?
Well, you think this is a good place to run empty track? Well, this is India. There are a lot of people here. Yeah! It was fucking great. It was so great. No pain, no pain, no pain, no pain, no pain, no pain.
My leg hurts a lot, my toes hurt a lot. Running a marathon with thousands of people बहुत टफ होने वाला है. मैं खुद पे डाउट करने लगा. क्या मैं ये कर भी सकता हूँ? On 12th of March 2023, there was going to be a 10-kilometer charity marathon. And मैंने अपने ज़िंदगी में बस एक बार रेस भागी है, वो भी बचपन में, 1 या 2 किलोमीटर की. Although I played football semi-professionally, and in football you can stop in between, you just don't have to run continuously like marathon. And मुझे 3-4 साल हो गए football छोड़ के, so I had not been training and I wasn't as fit as I used to be. And the worst part of it all, I had become very lazy. बिस्तर से अगर मैं गिर भी गया ना, तो मैं ऊपर उठ के नहीं सोऊंगा, वहीं पे सो जाऊंगा नीचे ज़मीन पे. And obviously I didn't even have a fixed schedule. I got up late, I slept late. Since मेरा marathon का experience एकदम ना के बराबर है, and I wanted to come back, be fit again, stop being lazy, and this marathon was exactly that opportunity I needed. But I also needed a coach, and you know, AI का ज़माना है, तो मैंने ChatGPT से ही पूछ लिया to give me a routine of 7 days to follow to practice for a 10-kilometer marathon, and उसने दिया भी. And so my training began by resting on the first day. I mean, ChatGPT नहीं बोला यार, first day पे rest करो, so I will obviously rest. But I had told my mom everything about this marathon and me being fit again and not being lazy. उनको मैंने बोल रखा था कि मुझे उठाया करे 6:30 बजे, and उन्होंने मुझे उठाया. बड़े प्यार से उठाया. But on the next day, I woke up by myself. मेरे favorite Nike के जूते पहने and निकल पड़ा for my first day of running. सब सही जा रहा था, but यार फर्स्ट डे पे ना एक दिक्कत हो गई.
I can't run in these shoes. They are too tight for me. I thought these were the best shoes. I mean, they are still, but I honestly can't run in them. They are too tight, and I gotta buy a new pair. That's actually very sad because I don't have money as well, and I think I ran some 5 kilometers something. I could have run more, but because of the shoes, I guess I couldn't. My leg hurts a lot. My toes hurt a lot. Anyways, let's go home and buy a new pair, and I guess I'll have to take 1 day rest as well.
I didn't have money to buy the same Nike shoes again. They were too expensive. So I bought these Puma shoes, which were decent and way cheaper as well. Alright, take 2, but with Puma shoes this time. I'm not gonna lie, these shoes were actually comfortable and they also match my socks. I ran 5 kilometers again, although ChatGPT had asked me to run for 10 kilometers, but I was very satisfied by my performance क्योंकि मैंने खुद के ही पिछले टाइम को 6 मिनट से बीट कर दिया था. मेरे एथलीट फ्रेंड्स का टाइम 26 to 28 मिनट्स है एंड मेरे फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट को भी उतना ही टाइम लगा एंड आज 20 मिनट में मैंने भागा. So it's a big deal, right? But come on yaar, who am I kidding? It's a 10-kilometer race, not 5. So I should do as ChatGPT says, since only 3 days are left for the marathon. Which also reminded me that I have to register for the race. So I went online to register, and that was when the worst thing that could ever happen happened. I forgot to register. I mean, how can I be so lazy and irresponsible for the thing that I am training for the thing that could bring my life back on track? I couldn't sleep at night. I was very disappointed with myself. I didn't run 10 kilometers as ChatGPT said, was happy by only running 5 kilometers, and on top of that, I hadn't even registered. I had almost given up. Can't run a marathon, can't make a video, can't bring my life back on track. But it was when Kamal came up to me and said,
तो अब क्या करेगा तू?
अभी क्या, चैट जीपीटी का वीडियो है तो चैट जीपीटी से ही पूछता हूँ कि क्या करना है. चल.
I addressed my problems to ChatGPT and it gave me the simplest and most logical answer of all time. I was like, what the f? How come this did not come to my mind? क्या गधा हूँ मैं बहन. Obviously there will be more upcoming marathons. And there was literally one next week.
अबे और एक और है. Let's go. एक और है, फटाफट रजिस्टर करता हूँ भाई.
अब मैंने फटाक से रजिस्टर कर लिया भाई. अब मैं ट्रेनिंग चैट जीपीटी के हिसाब से प्रॉपर करूंगा. नो एक्सक्यूजेस दिस टाइम.
I completed the 10 kilometer mark in 52 minutes. It was my best time yet. And I feel so great. Actually, I was going to stop at 4 kilometers, but I didn't. I kept going. I kept going and I didn't stop. I actually watched Rocky yesterday. No pain. It was f***ing awesome.
R.I.P.
This is Fletcher. Fletcher is a friend of mine who recently moved from Bangalore to Mumbai. And जब मैंने उसे ये मैराथन, चैट जीपीटी एंड मेरे शेड्यूल के बारे में बताया तो वो बड़ा एक्साइटेड हो गया. एंड ही इज प्रीटी गुड एट स्किपिंग. तो उसने मुझसे स्किपिंग भी करवाई एज क्रॉस ट्रेनिंग. स्किपिंग मेरी काफ़ी गंदी है लेकिन मज़ा बड़ा आया. एक ट्रेनिंग पार्टनर मिल गया था मुझे थोड़ी देर के लिए.
Yeah, we're gonna get him primed and ready for the race.
Yeah.
And guess what, guys? He's gonna fucking win it. Let's go. Oh, I'm sorry.
ये 7 दिन की ट्रेनिंग बड़ी ज़बरदस्त है. मैं हर दिन अपना टाइम इम्प्रूव करते गया. काफ़ी बढ़िया प्रोग्रेस हुआ. लेकिन रेस के एक दिन पहले जब मैंने व्हाट्सएप खोला मैं नर्वस हो गया था. मैराथन ऑर्गेनाइजर्स हैड मेड अ व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. मैंने बहुत लोगों की डीपी देखी. Everyone looked like professional runners and there were over 500 participants. Google किया record time in India. It was 28 minutes something. कहाँ मेरा 50 मिनट, कहाँ 30 मिनट में भागने वाले लोग. Well, देखते हैं अब कल क्या होता है. It was important for me to accept the truth that with these professionals, I can't win the marathon. But I had already won. I was lazy when we started recording this video, didn't have a fixed schedule, I was irresponsible, I could only run 5 kilometers. But now, when I sit here, it all has changed. I've improved a lot as a human being. I'm not lazy anymore. I have a fixed schedule. I run a 6-figure video editing business with my friends. I can run 10 kilometers as well. Yes, ChatGPT gave me the schedule, but Kamal, Fletcher, and my mom, they were the people who actually supported and changed my life. Registration failed, my shoes not fitting. ये सब lessons है life के. And test me. Not giving up is important. And realizing and being grateful for the people around us is even more important. AI तो आते जाते रहेगा. It can never replace you guys. Also, the results of the race, in case you were wondering, well, finished 12th with my best time of 47:09.